Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through Sass at import and partials. Sass keeps the CSS code dry, means don't repeat yourself. One way to write dry code is to keep related code in separate files. You can create small files with CSS snippets to include in other files. For example, reset file, variables, colors, fonts, font sizes, or etc. Just like CSS. Sass also supports the add import directive. The add import directive allows you to include the content of one file in another. For this video, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my code editor, and let me show you what we have inside our source folder. Since it's a continuation of my Sass tutorial series, and if you get stuck somewhere, kindly watch my previous video of the series. We have CSS folder with couple of files and SCSS folder with style.css. This is our main file. We do not have to touch style.css because it's being compiled by our Sass package. So let's start our Sass package. Open command prompt and type in here Sass --watch SCSS, the path of our SCSS file, which is /style.scss, and the CSS file, which is css/style.css. Hit enter and our Sass is watching now. We have here index.html, and let's see what we have inside here. This is index.html, and now let's click on this style.css and get rid of our explorer, and I'm gonna create here another file in our SCSS folder, and I'm gonna name it as verbs.scss. This is a short form of variables, and here I'm gonna define a couple of variables. $my_font Helvetica, or let's leave this. I'm gonna add in here $color red semicolon, and the font size $my_font size let's capitalize S. It's going to be 2M semicolon. Next line I'm gonna give it a my BG color, short for background color, would be yellow green semicolon. So these are a couple of variables that we have defined here, so that we can use all of these variables anywhere in our project directory. Let's come in here and define, no, I'm not going to define here. Let's call our verbs.scss in style.css. So let's type in here at, or first let's give some background color to the body of our web page, say hockey. Hit save and see what we have. So this is our page right now, and now I'm gonna import our variables here with the directive at import, and let's type in here verbs, and we don't need to give an extension of the file. Just type in here semicolon and hit save. Now I'm gonna give here the variable which is just color. The background color is BG color. Copy and paste it here, and what we have here, font size and color. The color would be $color, and font size would be $. Let's copy it my font size and paste it here. Hit save and see. So this is what we have right now. So this way you can import any of the .scss files in any of your files, say style.scss. It should be imported in your main style.css. Now let's talk about partials. Sass transpiles all the .scss files directly. I mean, it creates or convert all the .css files to the CSS files directly. Whereas file names start with an underscore called partials, which are not transpiled directly, but you can use them in your style.css just by add import directive. So let's come in here and I'm gonna make some changes to our index.html. Let's have a couple of paragraph tags here with, I'm gonna type in here text in pink. I'm also gonna give it an ID of P. Now let's copy it a couple of times, and this would be blue and this would be green, and let's type in here blue and green. Hit save and see what we have now. This is what we have right now, and I'm also gonna remove this styling, or let's comment it out and see what we have. So we have these 3 paragraphs, and let's create a file here in SCSS folder. Name would be underscore colors. Hit enter and let's copy, or let's create a couple of variables here. $my pink. Oh, I forgot to give it an extension. .scss colon, and let's give it a color of say red, semicolon, and let's type the code of pink here, hash EE82 EE. In the next line, let's type $my blue colon, and the blue would be hash 4169 E1 semicolon, and let's take or define another variable which is my green colon, and type in here hash 8FB C8F semicolon. Hit save. Now let's import our colors in our SCSS style.scss file with add import directive, and import under codes. I'm gonna type in here colors. You don't need to put underscore at the beginning. Semicolon, and next line I'm gonna give a reference of our IDs which are here in our index. P, B, and G would be P curly braces, enter, and the color would be pink. Let's open and copy. It would be $pink semicolon, and let's copy these code couple of times. Let's make it B, this would be G, and let's copy the variables from here, blue, and paste it here, and let's copy green and paste it here as well. And now see our paragraph tags here. These don't have any color right now, and as I hit save, let's see the style.css first. Now this is what we have in our style.css, and let's go to our index.html. So these are all having color now. And this is how you can import partials in your style.scss files. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.